Making fiends, Vendetta's always making fiends while Charlotte makes friends.
So, today, class, I thought we'd study magazines and,
Isn't it time for recess?
Oh yes, Vendetta, of course.
Yippee!
Snow.
Yay, 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 yay! Whee! Whee! I think I will take my recess indoors today. I think today we will have a
Snowy.
day schedule.
No, please. It's not that bad outside. The
Snow.
will stop soon. Anything but...
Hey, why isn't anybody else playing?
I'm sorry, Charlotte. We have to stay inside today. It's...
Snowy.
day schedule.
Hooray! Vendetta, which do you like better, raindrops or snowflakes? Do you think... Ooh, thanks, Vendetta. A dictionary! Philosophy, velvet, fender, Vendetta! Vendetta, did you know that you're in the dictionary? Be quiet! Or I will bring out the
Snowy.
day activity box.
Snowy.
Day activity box? Oh, yes, please do.
Nay, asketh not for the box containeth naught of good.
Box! All right. You have asked for it.
By Saturday! What has happened?
I gave them some bubble gum. Silly puppies.
Ah, that's it. I'm going home. Bring me a
Snowblower.
That's really quite creative to use me to...
Be quiet.
Oh yes, of course, Vendetta.